Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Android Auto app is not working on your phone or your car device, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you're facing this problem, then firstly go to the Play Store and search here Android Auto and go to this link and check for the update. If update is available, then update first and check the problem. If the problem is persist, then next is go to the setting and then click on the app. Now check here the Android Auto. Click on this and click on the app permissions and allow all the permissions. After doing this step, check the again problem. If it persists, then next is again go to the setting. Now search here Android Auto. Now click on this and then click on this option. Now click on this option start Android and click on the always. After doing this step, again check the problem. If it persists, then restart your device and everything. After doing this, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.